Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals -1, and y equals 62. The second point has x equals 2, and y equals 3.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals -1 to x equals 2, the run is 3. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 62 to y equals 3, the rise is -59.
Slope is rise divided by run, -59/3, which simplifies to -59/3. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is -59/3, x1 is -1, and y1 is 62.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.